Draw a square sort of in the center of your paper. On top of that, you're going to make a triangle. And at these corners of the square, you're going to do these parallel lines at an angle, the same length, and then connect the two. Then you're going to do a parallel line at the same angle as that triangle, and then connect those. I'm going to do a little rectangle for a door, a little doorknob, then little rectangles for the windows. Then we do rectangles on the side of the house for windows, but the top and the bottom lines should be parallel to the lines on the side of the house. Then you can add little bushes or whatever little details you want to add to your house.